Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am ready to learn to you how to add, delete, rename and color in Excel sheet. Now I am opening Excel worksheet. I am click this icon for open Excel worksheet. Open blank workbook. You can see Excel worksheet. Now you can see sheet 1 sheet. If you want to open new sheet on this workbook, you can click this plus mark, then create sheet 2. And if you want more sheets create on this workbook, you can click again this plus mark, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. If you want to delete any sheet, you can right click on sheet as this and select delete. You see delete sheet 5. Now I am delete sheet 4. Right click on the sheet 4 and select delete. Now I want to rename sheet 1. Right click on sheet 1 and select rename. Now I can type sheet name. I am type MS Excel. And you want to color Excel sheet, you can right click on the sheet, select tab color and choose any color. Now you can see blue color MS Excel sheet. Okay friends, thank you. Watch my video. Goodbye.